Welcome to the HTML5 training videos. In the previous video, I explained about the history of HTML5 and who developed the HTML5 and so what browser support example and what is the Shiv solution. So these are we discussed in the previous videos. Now I am going to explain about the skeleton. Skeleton means the basic structure of our HTML5 page. For that purpose, I am creating the one page in HTML5. I will explain what is the code behind this one and how I can use our semantic tags like article, section, and nav and so footer sections in our HTML5 document. First of all, observe our page. This is our page. In this, I have the one box is one border is there. On that border, I put my website title HTML5 skeleton. After that, I have the menu bar. On that menu bar, I have the auto flash, AutoCAD, automatic, isometric. These three navigation links are there. This is my header. This is my header. And this is my navigation and this is my sections. Famous courses in VLR training is my title. In this I put the three sections: HTML section, WordPress section and JavaScript section. Finally I put that nav section. Finally I put that what is this section? Footer section. Okay, so footer section, this document we have the header section and nav section and sections. In my body I have the sections and finally footer. Okay, these are the, so first of all observe the code for this program. So first of all, what is my code contains? Doc type is HTML. Okay, after that HTML, I started the HTML tag and on that I used the lang equals to en attribute. Lang attribute I used and value is the en. After that I started the head section. In the head section I put that title is HTML5 VLR train. So first observe that. So here my title is HTML5 VLR train. So after that, so meta carsec equals to UTF-8. So I included the one meta tag here, meta, and attribute is carsec equals to UTF-8. So after that I put the Shiv solutions for the HTML5 document, HTML5 web page. So I have put this one because so our HTML document is opened in our below the Internet Explorer 8 versions. So after that I started the one style tag. In the style, this is the internal CSS. In the internal CSS I put that body. In the body, font color is Vardhana, sans serif and font size is 0.8 em. And in the header, nav section, article, footer, border is 1 pixel solid gray, margin is 5 pixel, padding is 8 pixel. And after that, in the UL, we have the margin is 0 and padding is 0. In the nav, in the UL, in the LI, display inline, margin is 5 pixels. Okay, so this is my style. So you have any doubts about the styles, go for my HTML and CSS training videos. So after that, in the body, I started with the header tag. In the previously we don't have this header tag. Now HTML5 onwards we have the header tag. Within the header, using the H1 tag, I put the HTML skeleton VLR train. Okay, so observe the header section here. So what is the header? what is the header CSS properties? Border is 1 px, solid gray, margin is 5 pixel, and padding is the 8 pixel. So observe the document. So only observe this section. Okay, this is the our header part of our HTML body. Okay, now change the, we want to okay, after that we have the nav section. Okay, in the, for the navigational purpose we are using the nav tag. This is the new for our HTML5, and I put it the nav tag. In the nav tag I write the ULLI unordered list. On the unordered list we have the list items, Adobe Flash, AutoCAD 3D, and AutoCAD isometric. In the list tag I used the anchor tag. So if you have the any doubts in this one, go for my HTML and CSS training videos. So if you want to learn the HTML5, you must have the very good knowledge in the HTML. Okay, so in the navbar I created the one unordered list item, and that we have the 3 list items. And what is the style for this one? In the nav UL, margin is 0 and padding is 0, and in the LI display is inline, margin is so 5 pixel. If you forget this one, you not getting the this type of output. Okay, one by one. So I am removing the display is inline property. Now observe the output of this document. So they are getting line by line. So they are getting line by line. So don't forget the display colon inline property. So we are completed the header section and nav section. Now I am going for the sections. In the section, actually in this document we have the 3 sections: HTML section, WordPress section, and JavaScript section. So for that purpose we are starting the section tag here. In the section tag we have the one H2 element and one article element. Okay, in the section one H2 element is there, one article element is there. On that we have the one H2 element and one paragraph is there. So finally what you can observe, finally after the nav we are started the section, and that section we have the one H2 element and one article element. That article element containing the one H2 element and one paragraph element. So this was completed. Sorry, I tell wrong about this one. Actually this is the entire section. In this section we have the first article, second article, and the third article. So now observe the code for this one. The article WordPress, in the second article contains the one H2 tag and one paragraph, and the third article also contains the one H2 tag and one paragraph. Finally I closed the section tag. So after that we have the footer. So footer is used for displaying the our copyrighted information. In the footer it contains the paragraph 2016 ULR train, all rights reserved. So observe the output of this document. Now finally, so now tell me that this is our header tag, this is our nav tag, this is our section tag. In this section tag we have the article tags, and after finally we have the what tag? Footer tag. Okay, this is the basic structure of our HTML5 document, or basic skeleton of our HTML5 document. In the coming videos I will explain about the what is the use of footer, what is the use of article, what is the use of nav. So I will explain this. These are the very important tags in our HTML5. These tags has the semantic importance also for SEO, also search engine optimization also. These tags are very important. After that you don't forget about the in the HTML, before the HTML write the doc type space HTML, and in the HTML use the lang attribute. If you are typing in the Telugu, use the TE. English France FR. Okay, after that don't forget about the meta and don't forget about the show solution. Okay, thanks for listening. Please subscribe for the more videos, and after that please share this video to your friends.